video is on adverbs, and we're going to be comparing them to adjectives. You'll remember with adjectives, we said that adjectives can only describe nouns. And I will tell you that adverbs cannot describe nouns. As its name says, adverbs describe or modify verbs, but they also do some other things. They can also modify or describe adjectives and other adverbs. So, for example, if I say to you, my car goes fast, the action verb in this sentence is goes. My car goes, that would be a sentence. But if I tell you how it goes, and by the way, I'm going to pop that little question here. If you look in our handbook, I believe it tells you that adverbs answers the questions how, why, where, when, to what extent. And I'm going to tell you that I think in all of the situations where you're going to need to do a little test in your writing to see if you're going to choose the correct word, how is going to be that really important question. So make sure that you recognize how for adverbs. Remember for adjectives, I'm just going to scroll up here for a second. We had some questions. Which one, what kind, how many, or whose. Do not forget those. So you can have these in your notes next to each other, like have all the adverbs, and you could have like a chart where they're across from each other so that you can see the difference. So my car goes fast. So fast here is an adverb, and I'll put that in yellow there. So notice that this is an adverb. So notice then, if I said to you, thinking about that red dress that we had earlier. So if we have the red dress, then I'm going to add something in front of it and say it's not just a red dress, but it's a very red dress. And I don't mean to have the highlighting on, sorry for everything. So notice that, let me see, there we go. So very is going to be an adverb here. Because it's telling us it's not a very dress, it's a very red dress. Notice the red is an adjective describing dress, and very is an adverb describing the adjective red. So notice that adverbs describe verbs. So here's one describing a verb. They describe adjectives, and they can describe other adverbs. So I could say, his car goes too fast, okay? And so notice we already know that fast is an adverb because we've established that up here and how it goes. Notice too. Too is not describing how his car goes, but it's how fast it goes. It goes too fast. So this is another adverb describing. And you might be saying, well, so what? Why do I need to know if it's an adjective or an adverb? Good question. This is not a total grammar class where you need to really know, what everything is, but you do have some choices to make sometimes. For example, if I, changed the sentence about my car and I want to use a synonym like quick, and I say my car goes quick. Sorry. And I can't do that because quick is an adjective and it changes form to quickly as an adverb. So some words do that. We have some irregular types of words that change. So I would say my car goes quickly. All right. So this is an adverb because it's how it goes. Now, if I said to you, though, his car is quick, what do you think of that? Is it his car is quick or his car is quickly? It's going to be quick because this is a linking verb. Whenever there's no action in this verb, in this sentence. We have this to be verb, and it's just like having an equal sign. So it's like saying his car equals quick. And the thing that you have here is either a noun or an adjective. Like I could say, she is a doctor, and that is a noun, or I could say she is smart, and that is an adjective. So I know that I need to have an adjective here, but it's also describing car, It's not describing is. So that's another way to figure out what word you need.